Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Pisces Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Pisces Ascendant people, Sun controls your sixth house, and right now, Sun is starting from your first house into your Ascendant, where many planets are right now present, as we discussed in our last month prediction video. Sixth house will be the conflicts, your court case, your litigation, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine in context of work, your against people who provide you services. If you provide services to others, also seen from sixth house, your debt, your loans, etc. So your fifth house or sun is will be transiting from your first house till 14th April. After 14th April, sun will move from your first house to your second house in the sign of Aries, where sun will be in its exalted position. Sun is right now transiting from your first house. This will prove a beneficial position for you people if you are doing some competition, if you are facing some court case litigation argument into your life, if you have any against enemy into your life, they will face defeat till sun is starting from your first house, because sixth house also deal with the strength to withstand the enemies. And right now, sixth house lord is starting from your first house, so you will be very confrontative with your enemies, and your enemies will get defeated in the month of April if you are dealing with such thing into your life. If you are not dealing such thing, then you will focus on your health related matter as well, your personality, because sun will illuminate the significance of your first house is you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, your physique, your general health. So during this time period, you will try to focus on your health. You may try to do some exercise or some workout for your betterment of health. After 14th April, when sun will move from your first house to second house, then sun will be in its exalted position, and second, sixth and 10th house, this triangle is always connected to your earnings and your work matter. So after 14th April, we can expect there will be a lot of opportunity to gain a lot of money or save a lot of money. You There will be a good flow of money after 14th April, whatever you are doing, whatever what work you are doing right now, because second house lord will be in exalted position. Mercury controls your seventh house and your third house, and right now Mercury is moving in stabilization sign in its retrograde motion. So, although Mercury is right now present into your first house, but still you need to be very careful regarding your marriage related matter if you're married right now. If you have any relationship, also there are chances you may get some disturbing result regarding your marriage related matter or your relationship related matter. So you need to be very careful when you're dealing with your spouse or your partner. If you have any partner right now, or if you have any doing some business, partnership business, if you're doing some business into partnership, then you need to be very careful when you're dealing with your partnership, spouse, and relationship and other persons, because Ketu is right now transiting from your seventh house, and Mercury moving seventh house lord. Mercury is moving into your first house in its debilitation sign into its retrograde motion. Fourth house lord is already transiting from your first house along with seventh house. Fourth house lord is also transiting from your first house in its debilitation sign, because Mercury is also controls your fourth house, and fourth house will be your home, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life, your mother's relationship, your homeland is somehow represented by your fourth house. So your fourth house and your seventh house lord will be transiting from your, so your fourth house and seventh house lord is transiting from your first house and come out from its retrograde motion on 8th April. So till 8th April you need to be very careful regarding your fourth house and fifth house, your fourth house and seventh house living significance related matter like your spouse, your relationship, your business partnership, and your mothers and home people. There are chances you may indulge into some argumentative activity. Venus controls your 8th house and your 3rd house, and right now Venus is also present in your first house in the sign of Pisces. Here, one thing is very important about Venus is right now present in its exalted position, because Pisces sign considered as an exalted sign for Venus, and so Venus will give you compensatory result which Mercury is which so Venus will give you compensatory good result for the Mercury bad result, because Mercury is right now moving in retrograde motion and debilation sign, but Venus is moving its exalted sign into your first house. So that's why we can expect you will have great result regarding your your so we can expect you will have great result regarding your 8th house related matter and your 3rd house related matter. So 8th house deal with your sudden unexpected good event, sudden positive event, sudden negative event, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life are seen from 8th house. Major transformation, secretive activities. Second, third house will be your efforts. How much effort you can put in anything, your heartbreaking ability, your communication ability, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend, all of these things are represented by third house. So your third house and 8th house lord will be in its exalted position. We can expect you will suddenly get a good result regarding something into your life, because Venus is right now present in exalted position, and you will tackle all the difficulty which Mercury will give you due to presence of Venus in exalted position into your first house. Because first, third house lord is efforts, and efforts lord is right now present in exalted position. So you will do many effort, and you will also get the revenue of that effort because Venus is right now present in its exalted position. Moon controls your fifth house, and right now Moon is transiting from your second house in the sign of Aries. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 1st April 2025 because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your birth chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is starting from 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days you can expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties in your life because these house considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And Moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the easiest way to judge Moon transit in everyone's transit chart. Mars controls your second house and your ninth house, and right now Mars is transiting from your fourth house in the sign of Gemini. Mars was present into your third. Mars was present into your fourth house for love. Mars was present in your fourth house for a long time previously because Mars was also moving in retrograde motion. But right now, on April 3rd, Mars is about to move from your fourth house to your fifth house in the sign of Cancer. Here, one thing about Mars is that Mars feels weak in the sign of Cancer sign considered as a debilitation sign for Mars and controlling your ninth house and second house. You need to be very careful regarding your love relationship. If you have any love relationship, if you have children, because fifth house deals with your love relationship, your children, your education related matter, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your fun activity, your mental abilities. So regarding all of these matter, you need to be very careful. Also, you may face some disturbing result if you have any sincere love relationship because Mars will be weak into your fifth house. You may get breakup during this time period because Mars will create a situation like this. If you don't have any love relationship, you are in education life, like you're focused on education, then also you need to be very careful regarding your education related matter. You may get disturbed time to time due to presence of Mars into your fifth house in its debilitation sign. So we can expect these results for all the Aries ascendant. So we can expect these results for all the Pisces ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Pisces ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.